saying I wanted to stop documenting. I've just only walked to the ATM back. Here's another good example. So you see how I saw him straight away. He was looking at me as I approached. I came from just over there, and I saw it in there. They're just this ever a go. Anyhow, he's got the thing pointed, but yeah, like check that out. Anyhow, I'm going back to my music. I don't think yeah, it's just that. Anyhow. Alright, much love. Yeah. So, this is alright. There. Oh, there's one right there. She's fucking around with my bloody thing as well. I turned around and just caught it. Alright, people will think I'm horrible. They'll see that. But no one will see it. But yeah, I turned around, she was leaning, she had her hand out, she was fucking around. Anyhow. Yeah, whatever, you know. It's, yeah, ever present. Ever present, bro. Not the sort of present you want to ever get, but no, they'll fuck around and fester about and pretend they're anything you could never even bet. I don't know if that made sense. I lost the thread, flow, couldn't quite remember where to go physically as well as verbally. A mentally corrupt gymnastic no-go. Anyhow, back to music. And they'll always appear to be racing around like motherfuckers in cars, and it's alright, it's fine. Except that these ones will be like, what I started to notice is they're like cartoons. Like it'll look like they're always braking hard, for example, because that's how there's a projection. It'd be like it's like a cutout of a car that was racing with, and you just keep it like that. It doesn't, the body doesn't roll. It's subtle, but very obvious inconsistencies with the claim that, you know, they're real and, you know, part of one of these realities. It's getting your way, anything for attention. Look at me, like people, you know, these things where you're like, what the fuck is this thing doing? What the hell? Like, you're like, how is that? Well, that's why they're doing it, so we see them. That sounds odd. Like, who wants extra attention? Who wants, you know? Well, these shapey extras do, whatever they, you know, they're hanging for it. Oh, they're hanging for it. Oh, real men and women just want to live their life and not be pestered and don't really give too much of a shit about whatever else is doing. It's not about, you know, it's, oh, you consider it, you care, and it's, yeah, of course, but it's like, I don't want to look over anyone's fence. I don't give a shit. You do what you're doing, I do what I'm doing. Like, you know, who gives a but see, these lot are not like that. They're craving attention. Yeah, among God knows what, you know. Psychoanalyze them, I have to say it's just it's extremely obvious and apparent that that's a big objective and part of the one of the reasons I have been trying to not give them or demonstrate my own objection. See, I was trying to rhyme them, but there's a lot of things going on behind in my mind, left and right, on all sides of time.
man.